If your Samsung top-load washer is not agitating properly or making unusual sounds, the shift actuator could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in this video, I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's task: a Phillips screwdriver and pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water hoses so the washer can be moved easily. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. Inspect the shift actuator to see if it is locked up where it is pulling the clutch arm to the spin position. An easy way to tell is if there is tension on the linkage, causing it to pull the clutch arm to the spin position. If there is tension on the linkage, the shift actuator is locked up and will need to be replaced. If not, something else is causing your washer to not agitate properly. Disconnect the wires from the shift actuator, remove the linkage cotter pin. Firmly hold the clutch arm, remove the linkage from the arm, and allow the clutch arm to carefully move to the agitation position. And remove the screws. Here's the old shift actuator and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the shift actuator to the tub with the screws that were removed. Connect the linkage to the clutch arm and secure it with the cotter pin. Connect the wires onto the shift actuator. Set the washer upright. Connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job getting your Samsung top-load washer back in action. We hope this guide made the process smooth and straightforward. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you've tried your hand at this repair or still need that new shift actuator, simply use your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a few days. Share your repair success story or any questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for letting us be a part of your do-it-yourself journey, and we look forward to helping you tackle your next project.